Here's your first McCainFourth.com video from Mr. Hutch to my favorite people. So this is your multiplicative comparisons homework, basically comparing using multiplication problems. So we've already done number 1, 2, and 3. Here's 4 and 5. You're either doing this with me as you do yours, or you are done doing yours and you're just using this to check. So we're going to underline important info. Here we go. Yesterday, I ran 4 laps. Today, 6 times as many. Right away. Oh, look. It says 6 times as many. So we identify that means 6x. And then the question, how many laps today? Okay, so our first thing is realizing that this is a window 2 thing, meaning it's one of our multiplication equations. We're going to go ahead and set up our equation. How many times blank times blank equals blank, and how many times always goes first. So I'm going to draw my line over here to remind myself that how many times goes first. So how many times? 6 times. Now, after I do my equation and put how many times first, we need to do our labels. Okay, so our labels go underneath. So who or what? Labels are always who or what. In this case, it's what? It's yesterday versus today. So today is 6 times. So I'm going to put a T for today. And it's today versus who or what am I comparing? Today versus yesterday. Where's today's real number? Because 6 times isn't a real number. Okay, it doesn't tell us anything. So today's real number goes there at the end. Now we just go ahead and fill it in. So we ask ourselves, what do we know? Do we know yesterday's real number or today's real number? And right here I can see yesterday I ran 4 laps. So yesterday was 4 laps. So now I know 6 times 4 is 24, and I'm going to circle my answer. So it tells me 6 times as much as 4 means that I've ran 24 laps today. Okay? So now we go ahead and answer our question. We have to read the question first. How many laps did I run today? I ran 24 laps today, period. All right, and on to the last one. So here we go. Underline important info. This month, I saved 3 times as much as last month. Right there, I can see that we're versing. We're comparing 2 things. So this month, 3 times as much as last. Okay, so this versus last. Last month, $9. How much this month? Okay, as soon as I see 3 times, I go, oh, that's my 3x. That means I'm comparing 2 things. That's window 2. All right, now let's go ahead and do our equation. Blank, how many times blank equals blank. How many times always goes first. So how many times? 3 times. Now we're going to do our labels, just like we did for all of these. So our labels for this. Who or what is 3 times? We just go back up. This month is 3 times. Okay, so we have this month, TM, okay, or you could write it out. This month versus last month. Where's this month's real number go? Because 3 times isn't a real number. This month's real number goes there at the end. So here's this month. Okay. Now we just put in what we know. Do we know last month or this month's real number? Let's look. This month, 3 times as much. Last month, $9. So there we go. Last month, $9. And now we can do this. So 9 times 3, 1 less, 27. Circle our answer. And we can go ahead and answer the question. How much did I save this month? And you can see this month I saved $27. So we go ahead and write it. And we're all done. So there you go. If you have questions about it, let me know. Nice job.